how to protect your computer against viruses. To protect your system against viruses, you have to follow these simple steps. Install a good antivirus software on your computer. Update the antivirus regularly. Avoid downloading programs from unknown sites. Always scan your CDs, flash drives, pen drives PD before using them. Do not use pirated software. Antivirus software is a utility program which safeguards your computer system from virus attack. Some popular antivirus softwares are Dr. Solomon's Antivirus, Norton Antivirus, McAfee Security, Quick Heal Antivirus, Avast Pro Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus. Quick Heal Antivirus. Quick Heal Technologies Private Limited is a leading IT security solutions and an ISO 9001 certified company. The security solutions provided by Quick Heal are indigenously developed in India. Over a span of 20 years, the company's R&D has focused on computer and network security solutions. The current portfolio of cloud-based security and advanced machine learning-enabled solutions stop threats, attacks, and malicious traffic before it strikes. This considerably reduces the system resource usage. Internet and the digital world has become an indispensable part of human lives. Digital is taking over the physical means of storing and communicating information. This naturally implies that digital access should be accompanied by digital security. This includes tools that can be used to secure your identity, assets, and technology in the online and mobile world. The goal of antivirus solutions and Quick Heal technologies has been to protect users from internet attacks and intrusion by outside hackers. Antivirus solutions like Quick Heal provide digital security solutions that include antivirus software, firewalls, anti-spyware, and data protection, etc. The cloud security solutions range from mobile to desktop and from gateway to servers. Secure personal and corporate devices give users the freedom to communicate, travel, shop, bank, and work using their digital identity in a convenient and secure way. Scanning and removing viruses. An antivirus application scans a computer system for viruses. To find viruses on your computer, do these. Initiate virus scan by opening the Quick Heal Antivirus main window. Select the scan option. This screen will appear. Select a scan task from the list and click on the scan option. The Scan Progress dialog box reports on the status of the scan. Quick Heal Antivirus also repairs the infected program. This information will appear in the summary report, or you can open Repair Wizard. Repair Wizard. There are 3 ways to remove a virus from your computer. Repair. It eliminates the virus and repairs the infected file. It is the best choice when a virus is found. Delete. It erases both the virus and the infected file. The virus and the file are gone forever. Select this option if repair is not successful. Quarantine. Sometimes Quick Heal Antivirus detects an unknown virus that can't be eliminated with the current set of virus definition files, or you have a file that you think is infected but is not being detected. Quick Heal Antivirus itself will store such files in a special area called quarantine, or you can quarantine files yourself. Files under quarantine cannot interact with the rest of your system, so even if they are infected, the virus will not spread. Updating virus definitions. Virus definitions are in the database of viruses that Quick Heal Antivirus scans for. The database needs to be updated regularly so that Quick Heal Antivirus can detect newly created viruses. Follow these steps. Connect to Internet. In the Quick Heal main window, click Update Now. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions. The new virus definition files will be automatically installed and will take effect after you restart your computer.